had so many questions in my head like, okay, I've lost my dad. Why am I crying so much? Today, I can talk because I am out of that situation. I haven't healed, but I am out of that situation. I was devastated. तुम घर से बाहर निकल के तो सीधा बैडी बनना शुरू नहीं करोगी. Your real personality is going to be there. Then people again, fuck around with you, and then you're like, हाँ, वो bitch बनना पड़ता है. I have cried to bed. I have cried on my set. I was like, मैं क्या करूँगी? So, would you want to go to Spitzvilla? I started laughing. मैंने वाला joke मार रहा ना. So, are you playing any prank on me?
You are a very different person compared to the Spitzvilla girl we saw now. Okay, let's just get to the point. What really happened between you and Ayaz?
मुझे भी नहीं पता था that I'm gonna start liking a guy. It was a big thing for me to even do that on screen. मतलब back of my mind it's like my mom's gonna watch it.
Because
oh my god!
You used to cry a lot in your season. Did Sunny come to you and be like, "Babe, come on, you're a colored ska face."
See, it has nothing to do with doing a show on colors. If I put, for example, अगर श्रवण and Abhishek को एक task में against डाल दिया है, what's gonna happen?
लड़ाई हुई.
They know it. उनको पता है कौन कैसा है और कौन कैसी situations में कैसे behave करने वाला है.
You are doing a negative role, right?
Yeah, I am.
Do you think audience is buying that?
Yeah, they hate me. I get such hate comments. If you want to be a badass on screen, you play it so convincingly that people should get galis.
Wow.
And Ekta ma'am, it's a thing also that everybody's called. The entire cast is called. She'll brief you properly. So for me, it was like, oh my god, ma'am, आपका last show क्या था? मैंने बोला, listen, my last show was in 2020. 2020 में था. So you are viewed in a different light then. नहीं करेंगे cast.
Do you read bios on Bumble and then go for it? Or?
It is very. See, I can make it out whether what is like क्या है ना, if you're on Bumble for a very long time.
6 feet.
Yeah. The way they write it, you know it कि यार it's all made up. A lot of people think it's a fake profile also. Is this you on Spitzvilla? And I was like, yeah. For the first time, it felt like, yeah, I mean, I'm seeing now. People know me now. Imagine no, मतलब school में नहीं, but cut to when you are on TV. Even if today people here are Spitzvilla scripted है, हाँ तो है तो क्या? If you wanna go, you go ना. He threw it with good force.
Yeah.
दूर से ऐसा फेंका था and that thing also broke. And it was complete silence and for me I was like,
गया.
Too much of drama but it was very wrong on his part to do it. See, I know गुस्सा सबको आता है.
He was called Mad King, na?
It was the Mad King. Again, people still do question me, what happened? Yeah, if two people don't get well along, it's better not to stretch it. Nobody wants to be in a forced relationship. Nobody wants to be unhappy in a relationship.
Hi guys, what is up? This is your girl Bhav and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have the gorgeous Priyanka Purohit. Do you want to tell them how's life after Spitzvilla?
Oh, life's been a roller coaster actually. I mean, Splitsvilla was and will always be a show like, it's got me into the acting industry and, it's given me a successful career. And people know me, people appreciate me. So yeah, it's been fun.
So I was just telling Priyanka off camera that, I saw Priyanka on Splitsvilla, which is a soft girl, pooky girl. How they say the Gen Z is the pooky. And now you're playing a negative lead in Colors. Long way to go, Priyanka. Long way to go.
Yeah, I hope so. It's a long way to go. I mean, I have resumed work after 4 years. I was on a sabbatical for certain reasons. And I am so happy that, people are loving. People are actually, they are so happy to see me back on screen because I received so many messages. And even when I wasn't working, I mean, people used to, DM me like, ma'am, aap kab aoge? We miss you on screen and all of that. Oh my God. They have even missed me on social media because I was completely off for 4 years. Like,
4 years, like we are talking from 2020 to 2020.
2022, I think I got back on Instagram. I think during the Ganpati festival. Yeah.
Really?
I made a comeback, yeah.
You took a long break?
I took a long break. I needed that break because, life was happening and there were other things happening. So it just felt the right way. And I'm also somebody, I never used my social media to, gain followers or likes or, I just wanted to put myself out there. I wanted my fans to know what I was doing. But there were certain events in my life that I was dealing with, so is why I had to completely, like my dad passed away in 2019, and when you lose someone of your own for the very first time, in your life, and it's a very different kind of feeling. And just from that time, I started feeling as if, what is Instagram, what is the social media. I just felt like, I was dealing with my own feelings. I wasn't understanding what I was feeling. So with all of that happening, and then I was like, okay, I just don't want to, I just want to keep my social media aside for some time. Because what happens, no, at times you go through something. So my mom and my dad got apart when I was 4 months old. So I've never stayed with my dad. I've never spent any time with my dad. It's always been with my mom. We shifted to Mumbai, and yeah, I mean, it was my mom and we three sisters. So I never had that father figure ever in my life. Okay, matlab, yeah, I mean, I do still have that void that, I never had a dad in my life. But and I remember I was on my set. I was just about to, get ready. I was in between of that, and I get a call from my sister that dad is no more. He got a heart attack. And my dad used to stay in Gujarat. And I mean, see, when you've been with your parents, both the parents, you've had a very healthy relationship. I'm not saying that it's easy to kind of, some people exactly know what they need to do in that given moment. They need to obviously stand up, stand strong for their mom or dad, either ways, or the family. For me, it was like a very internal thing that I was dealing with, because and then when I saw my dad, and I was shattered, all that void of all these years of not having him, or whatever complaints I was having towards him, and all of that, it just went away, and I just saw my dad right in front of me. And I cried so bitterly. I had never ever cried so bitterly. And I never, at times you think about situations like, agar aisa kuch hoga, I don't think so I'm ever going to cry. But exactly opposite of that happened. So yeah, it was a tough time. It was, I mean, obviously I was there for my mom, because my mom was crying too. But there is this internal battle that I was dealing with, which I could not even articulate in front of my friends also, because I myself don't know what am I feeling. I had so many questions in my head, like, okay, I've lost my dad. Why am I crying so much? And then I was like, I don't know. So for the very first time, I felt like my heart is heavy. I want to cry, but I'm not able to cry. Now, people talk a lot about these kind of emotions, but I don't think so. In 2019, people were very open about it, or there were, like, reels available to kind of, give you the words. So now, I mean, now I can understand what exactly that feeling was. But, and again, like, these are the pros and cons of being an actor. And I was doing a sitcom at that time. I was doing a show on Sub. And imagine, I know, I mean, it's the bitter fact, but my production guy called me just the next day, when I lost my dad. He's like, ma'am, can you just tell me when can you come back? We have to shoot. So that is what it is, no? Matlab, they say, no, the show must go on. I literally felt it that day. Why do they say this? Because no matter what your loss is, you are, as a professional, you have to deliver your scenes. You have to deliver the episode. There is no replacement for you. Like, if we take any other job, like, be it corporate or anybody, you can still take your time off. Somebody can still do your work on your behalf. But as an actor, matlab, how much can they also use of you, right? Matlab, face to mera jaane hi wala hai. So it was like, so within 2 days, I had to get back to my work. And it was a sitcom. So I had to just laugh, do comedy in all my scenes. And that was the toughest. And as I said, no, it took me couple of months to actually feel fine. I'm not saying back to normal, but just to feel fine. Okay. I'm better now. Matlab, I'm not like feeling suffocated every single day as to what is happening. And I've always been a person that, if you have a problem, I'll come to you. But if I am dealing with a problem now, I will never go and tell you or ask for a solution or ask for any help. I have, as a kid only, I have done my things by myself. I've never depended on people ki, they'll help me out. Obviously, your friends are there, but also, I feel everybody, and it was also around the time that everybody, you won't believe, everybody in my group, in that one last year had lost each parent. So it is like, you do not want to take them back to their loss. And also, you want to talk, but you don't know what you're feeling. You don't know how to tell them in words exactly what's happening inside you. Because I've had a very different kind of a relationship with my dad. So that is, again, I don't think anybody will be able to understand if I tell them. So yeah, that was the time is why I had, and then COVID happened and I had to take a break. I had to leave my show. So बहुत कुछ हुआ, and yeah, so it's why like I am back on screen, and I think more than me, my family, my friends, my fans, everybody's so happy. I can't tell you the kind of responses that I've gotten. People still do remember me, and 4 साल का gap is not a small gap. There are a lot of actors who come in every single day. There is so much of content available to watch, and we ourselves forget actors, right?
Did you never feel like a FOMO because, like you are sitting back and, already you're going through something and that is such a big loss and,
Obviously.
And did you not feel like, okay, somebody will come and replace me and all of that? Was the pressure always there?
It was there. It is also, is why it took me so much of time to even get work. What happens now, you see, the fact about the industry is like, if you're seen on screen is how people remember you. Now, I wasn't working, I wasn't active on social media. Again, my choice. But then people do forget you. This is how it is. I mean, so for me to know that people still want me on screen, people are so happy to see me on screen, matlab, that was my reward. I mean, obviously FOMO to tha hi yaar, matlab, not that I was not out there giving auditions and all of that, but yeah, I think since COVID, a lot of things have changed also.
So you were talking about this off camera about your friends.
Yeah.
So how do you जो पहले के दोस्त बन गए वही दोस्त है अब, like because you meet so many people, you're on the set and you are in the industry, TV industry. So like, do you have more friends from TV industry or you have your OG school gang, college?
See, your OG is always going to be OG, no matter what. See, one thing that you have to understand that TV maybe we are all as professionals only. मतलब today if you are working in a corporate, तुम्हारे वो office friends ही रहेंगे. वो तुम्हारे कभी अपने वो OG core group नहीं बन सकता. So obviously, I mean, I've done so many shows. एक तो you're working every single day with them, 12 hours a day. Wow, I mean, तुम्हारी friendship तो होनी है ना. There is no second thought to it. But क्या होता है ना, with every show, we have different teams that we are working with different set of actors. Nobody has the time. I am connected to 3-4 people from the industry, but again वो वही है ना कि हम रोज नहीं मिल पाते. तो बस ठीक है. I mean, I think all actors know on that level कि यार ये शो तक ही है, and शो की बात गया तो गया, नहीं हुआ तो it's completely understood.
Who would you call your very close friend from TV industry?
Shritama Mukherjee, and she knows this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose you had a problem with your friend now.
Yeah.
Okay. And you are like, what the fuck, this person is this, that person is this person is this. Will you confront the person or will you be like, maintain a distance and like, will your friendship get over like, with those OGs also?
So both the situations have happened with me. So I'll tell you, I have discovered myself. I have changed a lot post 2019 after my dad passed away, because it was like a whole new thing that was happening with my life. See, I was somebody, I hold my friends very closely, very dearly to me. मतलब, but again वो वही है ना कि यार मेरे को गुस्सा आ जाता है तो मुझे गुस्सा आ जाता है. Then you blabber shit, and then you later realize कि नहीं यार गलत किया and all of that. So I used to hold my, मतलब I used to like, if I've had a fight with somebody, or if somebody's like, friend has spoken rudely to me, I would be the one to stop talking.
Okay.
And I would want that person to come and say sorry. Even if I miss that person, I would not go.
Ego
bol, gussa bol, attention bol, you can say anything, and there are multiple emotions that you feel around that time कि यार मैं क्यों जाऊँ, मेरी तो गलती नहीं थी, yeah, I want this person to realize my absence, and I've done that because I there's still some part of me that I can't take shit for no reason. If I think I haven't done it, so I can't stand it, be it from anybody, be it my mom also for that matter. But now I have become a little matured in a way कि
Now you want to
I
listen.
do get angry,
Yeah.
but now I quickly reconcile.
Yeah.
I do that
that's
because I
maturity.
feel I've learned, I mean, not learned, but I have seen my friends being there in my hardest times, you know. And I don't want to forget that when I
Wow.
needed them. I mean, all these choti moti fights, theek hai, hoti rehti hai, but when I actually needed them, they were there, and that is what I'm going to remember about them.
Wow.
Now these small fights and all, theek hai, thoda bahut bol diya, but I will still go at, you know, try and talk, resolve. I used to, like, you know, leave people also before that. Like, मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ता है, but it's like, you know, I don't want. I would rather be without you rather than taking your shit and all of that, or rather coming and, you know, reconciling with you. But now I want to preserve my relationships. I'll do whatever it takes. Even if you're right or I am right, whoever is right or wrong, but I will make sure that we are not, you know, in a phase where we are not talking, not looking at each other's faces or anything like that.
That's
I
such
will
so
make sure
beautifully
that
put.
at least I will try and reconcile with you. If you still do not want, I will again make an attempt. But uske baad, I will leave it up to you,
Yeah.
up to yourself.
You give like fair chances.
Yeah, because I see, I'm not saying कि I am doing this or maybe self-respect नहीं, मेरा self-respect है, but I am doing it for the friendship. But to a limit.
Yeah.
If you really do not feel that, you know, you want to be friends with me, okay, fine. So, एक दो attempts कर लो, give that person that space. If that person wants to come back, I'm not going to hold back. I will accept that person. So, I think these are some changes that has happened.
Why do you think after a loss all these changes happen in your life?
I don't know, yeah. मतलब, I think when you lose somebody, you know,
You just
I don't know
understand
how
the importance
to-
of life, I think. You know how short
So
the life
I'll tell
is.
you in a nutshell, no, a lot of things happened in these 4 years. I mean, it wasn't just my dad's thing. A lot of, I mean, I think
I sense
there
a
hasn't been
relationship.
any you know, any part of my life which wasn't disturbed. It was all interconnected. Simultaneously, everything has happened.
Collateral damage.
So it was like, you know, हाँ 2 साल शायद I was the same person, but now I'm a very different person. My
You've healed.
outlook, I wouldn't say I have healed, but I have understood the fact what I actually want, what is actually important in life.
What is that?
Your family. And again, this may sound very cliche because yaar sab yahi bolte hain, but I have been through so much and I've understood that eventually, you know, when you're going through something, anything in your life, if you even have one person, no, who is looking after you, who's checking on you, who's there to even, you know, even if you're blabbering, is there to just listen to you. Yaar, itna halka feel hota hai na. But if you don't have it, no, I think you die inside every single day. Your people are very important. You can't survive without them. I don't think so. Everything else can come and go, but your people, no. I'm not saying that ठीक है, सबके लिए family भी नहीं होती है, सबके लिए सिर्फ friends भी नहीं होते. Whoever you think, no, deserves to stay in your life, keep them.
It feels like I'm sitting in a therapy today.
Baba,
Wow.
I have, it has, so I am somebody, you know, matlab, if I'm going through something in my life, I'm not somebody who's gonna be all irritated or go into a dark space. I was in a dark space, but then some light inside me told me that, listen boss, get up, try and figure out what's happening. Today, I can talk because I am out of that situation. I haven't healed, but I am out of that situation. I was devastated when I was in that situation. तभी नहीं समझते आपको. Only later when you come out of it, you know exactly, okay, हाँ ये हुआ था. Okay, ठीक है. Now I have a better understanding because now since you're out of it, your brain can function. when you are already in a problem and problem 360 degrees से आ रही है, you don't know how to function. So now when you're out of it is you then take the learnings from that.
Priyanka, you have said this couple of times that, you know, like when you were in this phase of life and, you know, like you've not healed also and all of that, I get it. You said that I'm not healed, but, you know, there was this time in my life where it was like, get up, you know, do this. So I want to know how much time do you think you should take to be like, chalo utho, because wo to kabhi karta
No, but I'll tell you what, chalo utho in the sense kya tha na, I have, since a kid, no, I have been this personality that I have taken charge of things by myself. Be it कि सुबह उठ के खुद का टिफिन, खुद का यूनिफॉर्म आयरन करना, everything I used to do it by myself. Nobody used to tell me, but वो पता नहीं यार, for some reason, you know, मतलब single mother, she has to go out. I have me and my other sister, so it always felt like it is my responsibility to
like be the man of the house.
Be the man of the house. Take charge of things. Don't be dependent on people. And I don't know, where do I get this from? Could be from my mom and my elder sister, because yeah, for my mother to come with 3 daughters in a city like Mumbai with nothing, she gave us that establishment that we can have our life. I have seen my mother working, doing things, giving us a good childhood. I have seen my eldest sister sacrificing her college life, her, you know, teenage and all of that, because we were like very young. Me and my eldest sister, we have an age gap of 11 years. So she was already at teenage and we were very young. I was hardly 2-3 years old. तो उनको देखा है यार. They have done every possible thing for us, and then why not? Again, taking the learnings of it, what I've seen. So I have never backed out. Like, even I'll give you the example of entering the TV industry. यार मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता था. Splitsvilla में जाना, क्या करना है, I knew nothing. But I was like, okay, let's see what happens. TV industry में से call आ रहे हैं auditions के लिए, let's see what happens. I have learned things by myself. So वैसे ना मतलब I'm somebody ना, if you put me in any situation, I can tell you that I will not run away from it. I will make sure that, okay, if I don't know, I'll learn it. I'll make sure I'll do my best. But that best may not be, according to you, may not be the best, but at least would be best for me. So I have taken charge of things. So yeah.
You're a saddie or a baddie?
I am both, yeah. I'll tell you what. I am both, I would say.
I can
I'm
feel
a
it
saddie.
in your...
I am a saddie, but I'm equally a baddie. मतलब होता है ना यार. How do I put this? It's not always that, you know, from just one learning you'll understand that people are taking advantage of you. I am going to be baddie for life. नहीं. Life में ना बहुत ऐसी time and again situations आएंगी. People are going to take advantage. I'm just giving you this as an example. तुमको लगता है तुम बैडी हो, but तुम नहीं हो. तुम्हें और बनना पड़ता है. फिर because see, your core personality is तो always going to be with you only ना. तुम घर से बाहर निकल के तो सीधा बैडी बनना शुरू नहीं करोगी. Your real personality is going to be there. Then people again, you know, fuck around with you, and then you're like, हाँ, वो bitch बनना पड़ता है. तो मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता है. I am good till the time I'm good, but then I have a limit. It's like that.
But it feels like you're carrying so much on your shoulder, right? I could feel it till here.
You know, with pride, I can say that, yeah, I have taken a lot of things on my shoulders. And the good thing is, I understood what my strengths are. Yeah. Matlab, you know, when we think life is throwing things at you, but it is only to make you stronger. Again, ये हम Instagram reels में इतना सुनते हैं ना, so I don't want any of my fans to think अरे यार ये भी यही बोल रही है, but I am legit telling you, I have been in situations कि यार I have cried to bed, I have cried on my set, I was like मैं क्या करूँगी? But you know, with each passing day, and now I can talk. तभी it was difficult for me to do it. Though I did not give up, but I had no other option but to do it. अगर मुझे नहीं भी करना, मुझे करना पड़ेगा. But today I know कि बस अगर life में और भी कुछ आएगा, now my attitude, and now I'm not scared. Now I exactly know how me as Priyanka is going to behave towards the situations.
But I want to know, like, you've grown up with 3 sisters, you said?
We are 3 sisters. I'm the youngest.
How is it like growing up with sisters?
Okay, so again, we since my elder sister and me, we had such a huge gap. So, matlab, I was always scared of her. We never had like that kind of a relationship because again of the age gap. Me and my other sister also like, okay relationship tha. I wouldn't say that, we were like the closest or something. And also, what happens is, no, I mean, I had a very different childhood. Okay, matlab, we were not financially well. No, though, matlab, to me, the kind of moments that I've had in my childhood because of my mom and my sister, yeah, working their shit out, yeah, to matlab make the ends meet. And in a city like Mumbai, yeah, I wouldn't say कि हमको कुछ कम मिल रहा है. Trust me, matlab, and very proudly I'll say it. But क्या होता है ना, as now we have people talking about how childhood actually matters and how it shapes you. I was a very introvert kid. I was. Matlab, today, I am meeting you for the first time. I am coming here. I've come here and I'm speaking about my life. That shows my transition. My transition from where as a child I was. I never had any friends.
Bro, not me. They'll also say that in the comment section. Who are we seeing that? This is such like wow.
No, but yeah, my childhood I was. मैं बहुत शरारती थी यार. I wouldn't say so. As in school, I used to hate going to school.
Hate.
Because yeah, I had no friends. I don't know, for some reason I used to be very quiet. And बहुत partiality होती है ना यार. Teachers have their favorite students and all of that. And I was never seen. I'll tell you a story of why. So what happened after? Nobody has ever noticed me in school. I mean, I'm talking about my classmates.
You were not seen.
Not seen. Priyanka है? No. कि हाँ प्रियंका कोई करके है.
Roll number.
Roll number भी नहीं, चेहरे से चल. For that way. But when everybody saw me in Splitsvilla, oh my god. They had a school ka group already. And this guy from somewhere on Facebook messaging me, "Are you remember this is me and is this you on Splitsvilla?" And I was like, yeah. So obviously Splitsvilla, we had no phones or nothing, but telecast to hona shuru ho gaya tha. And when I opened my Facebook account and the tons of messages I got from my classmates, imagine. And then for the first time it felt like, yeah, I mean, I'm seeing now. People know me now. Imagine, no, matlab, school mein nahi, but cut to when you are on TV. And then suddenly, people just want to get connected to you. People want to know everything, what happened. People are talking to you. Chala, most basic. People are talking to you now. So that is what it is. No? School mein, I'm telling you, I was a very different. But yeah, again, there was this other side of me where I used to be like, I used to play cricket with I have a cousin brother who used to stay just the next building. Uske saath, friends ke saath cricket khelna. That way I was very rowdy. अपना खेलना तो चाहिए. So I've had a very balanced life. I used to do my studies. I used to go play.
Topper or a backbencher?
Not a topper, not a backbencher.
Just
also.
not
In
seen
between.
only. Just not seen only.
I wasn't like, I wouldn't say that I was the sharpest kid or anything. But I used to make sure that
pass हो.
अपना पढ़ाई करना है.
अच्छा.
सिर्फ पास होने के लिए नहीं. पढ़ाई करो जितना कर सकते हो अपनी कैपेसिटी में करो. Because यार back then यार ऐसा आज जैसे how parents pay so much of attention on their kids with their school, with their studies, ये tutor, वो tutor. मेरे टाइम पे नहीं था वो सब. Parents would never like actually उनको हाँ बस पता था कि exams है, कौन सा paper है. They would not take out the time to make you study.
Yeah.
So I did it by myself जितना हुआ.
ये जो लोगों ने आपको Splitsvilla के बाद text किया Facebook पे, उनसे दोस्ती करी कि नहीं करी?
So see, the thing is again, no, I had मतलब ऐसा कुछ मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. Not that I was keeping that in mind कि अरे मैं इनको reply नहीं करूँगी, this and that. In fact I was very happy कि now people know me, now people want to talk to me. Until then nobody was like really
Did you
interested.
feel like validation is one reason in your life which you like you wanted validation all the time because you were not seen?
I was not looking for it, but that child in you always needs that
attention.
I mean,
not
just
attention, just like
I'm not
I
saying
did
attention,
it.
just
like, yeah, I get it.
see, as I said, no, I wasn't looking for it. I got it. I was happy. So it wasn't like a big deal. Otherwise, also, I was happy. People saw me. People feel very proud that they know somebody from Splitsvilla. Then they added me in the group and all of that, and everybody is doing wawa and all of that all of a sudden because मैं school में यार एकदम चश्मा वश्मा पहन के जाती थी, thick brows and all of that, and suddenly my transformation they saw me on screen because in between we've not seen each other, and suddenly on screen and they were like, oh my god, this is Priyanka. that Priyanka जो किसी से बात नहीं करती थी and suddenly on screen. So yeah, I mean, it felt good. It was a very happy moment.
How did Splitsvilla happen, Priyanka?
Amazing story.
I'm sure
Again.
till now you've said all the basic
So
stories.
I'll tell you. See, in that time, no, अपना ज़्यादा कुछ reality shows होता नहीं था. It was Roadies, Splitsvilla, ठीक है. And Roadies तो मैंने जब तक Raghu was there, तब तक मजा भी आता था यार. Splitsvilla भी मैंने like you know ऐसे legit follow किया है. I think till 3-4 seasons. तो देखना तो है, follow तो करती थी मैं. And you know I used to love those shows. So after I graduated, I started working with a startup. मतलब again acting कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि करनी है, कभी टीवी पे आना है, कभी नहीं. So I started working with the startup and 2 साल काम कर रही थी. And you know I was 2 साल के बाद you know when you're 21 and all of that, you don't have that patience to stay at a place very long time. And I was like very bored. I was like I'll leave my job and this and that. So this one friend of mine called me. He's like, son, would you want to go to Splitsvilla? I started laughing. मैंने बोला joke मार रहा है ना. Are you playing any prank on me? मैंने बोला suddenly out of nowhere. And again, that friend was my college friend. Never been like friends with him, but he just suddenly called me and asked me this question. I'm like, okay, मतलब पहले बता details बता. So he's like, a friend of mine, she's casting and she's looking for new faces. तो जाना है क्या? मैंने and suddenly you just don't know. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं who wouldn't want to go? And then you also know your reality.
Yeah.
तो जवाब क्या दिया?
Yeah.
So then I was like, मैं तुझे बताती हूँ. And then again he called me and I was like, okay, मतलब करना क्या है? He's like, कुछ नहीं, audition देना है. I'll connect you to my. No, then firstly he asked me कि तू एक काम कर, ये बंदी का number है. She's my friend. Send her your pictures. यार pictures हम अब लेते हैं. Now I'm talking about like 2012, 13. We were not like into pictures, right? तो भी selectively कुछ 2-3 photos भेजी and then this girl is like, I would like to audition you. I'm like, okay. So then she sent me this list of 40-45 questions. These are your questions.
What was the? Do you remember any question?
I do remember, not all, but I was like, listen, looking at the number of questions, I can't do this. मतलब now we know how कि recording कैसा होता है, audition कैसा, मैं बोलूँ किसको कि audition और ये सब करके दो, record करके दो और help me out. So I told her, मैंने बोला, listen, I don't think so I can like you know answer all these questions and record and send it to you. मैंने बोला, listen, I'm on a job, मेरा Monday to Saturday working है, मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. And very sweetly she said, listen, can you take a day off? I'll do it for you. You come to my house, I'll record it. I'll take your audition.
Wow. Oh, wow.
So then I was like, यार चल ये तो कर ही सकते.
ये तो I think किसी के साथ नहीं होगा कि production वाले खुद ने ही कर दिया,
Yeah.
casting वाले ने ही कर दिया क्या?
No sir, obviously I had to audition for it, but होता ना कि they liked me, so they wanted to audition me in a way. So then I took a day off, I went to a place and all of that. And up till now, nobody knows कि I'm going for an audition. Nobody in my family, nobody at work, nobody in my friends, because you don't know. मतलब होता है ना like. You're very naive at that age.
But also there's a thought that you know like since you spoke so much about like I was not seen and all of that, तो एक अंदर से confidence.
Yeah, and confidence वैसे भी नहीं होता. मतलब I knew it कि I'm not Splitsvilla material for sure, because I'm not saying whoever have been on the show, they've been quite bold and strong, and you know मतलब you need to be headstrong to be on a reality show, मतलब to be prepared. And मैं यहाँ पे मतलब again I'm saying ना I have become like this after I got that exposure, that confidence. That exposure gave me confidence, and now I'm this personality. But तभी भी I was a very introvert person only. College में थोड़ा open up होना, but I was still very young. कहने का मतलब. So I went. She's like, listen, here is the camera. You have to look into the camera. I am gonna ask you the questions. And I knew in that moment कि listen मतलब. I did not have like a complete go through the questions also. I was like, listen, you know, I told her, listen, you ask me, मेरे को जो है naturally आएगा answer, I say that. She's like, okay, works. And I still remember it was in a balcony and all of that. And I remember a few questions. He's like, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर शो में तुम्हें किसी ने थप्पड़ मारा तो तुम क्या ऐसे बिहेव करोगी?
तो आपने क्या बोला था?
मैंने बोला यार अगर उसने मुझे मारा है तो मैं तो थप्पड़ मार ही दूंगी, बिकॉज इतनी बुद्धू तो नहीं हूँ मैं. So again, I was just being myself, and वो तो हो गया, and I was like, she's like, okay, thank you for coming and blah blah blah. और मैं I'm going on with my life, मतलब जैसे कि कोई audition हुआ ही नहीं है. Then later, I remember on that weekend, she called me again. It's like, the project head wants to do a Skype call. I was like, okay, फिर वो Skype call किया, and it's a very random conversation, and I'm like, okay, hi करके. अब project head कौन होता है मुझे ये भी नहीं पता. Debbie. So for me it is like a project head for a show. What I mean, she's at that designation and I am the very as a chill because मेरे को कोई idea नहीं है कि कौन है ये.
सबके साथ यही होता है.
So I am to being very casual with her.
Yeah.
ऐसा there was no seriousness. Oh my god, she's going to be on the call. Nothing. I think that's what they really liked. I did not think, and I was not thinking and talking. I was just very natural.
Dude, this is like so many people, like when I was first, like you won't believe. So everybody went to the office. Like अब क्या होता है ना, people go to Coliseum or Viacom का office to give to meet Debbie. Right? With me, it was like, because again the same story. My mom was like, ये kidnap हो जाओगे, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, you don't go. And then suddenly I'm meeting Debbie in like उनकी building के नीचे, like in her restaurant. And I'm talking to her like, now I know what she does. Now I know what's her position.
For you, it's just somebody that you're meeting.
Yeah.
This person is going to ask you something and you very nicely, कभी-कभी ना ये काम भी कर जाता है.
ये काम मेरे लिए भी कर गया यार. मतलब
no, because तुम अपने दिमाग में you're not making a big deal of it.
Yeah.
So I think you behave or cool. You are your best personality.
Yeah. And people now people like how they are, they know it. कि अच्छा ये भी है, वो भी है, वो वहाँ वो भी काम करता है, ये भी काम करता है. I think till 13 also, people were like, वो कौन है? क्योंकि podcast सब नहीं होते थे. People did not know the names of the people. Like for me, Debbie was like somebody I'm meeting and she's gonna be like, होगी कोई होगी. Like I went and all chill, bro. Like she's giving me the scenario. Who's my friend?
She's like, मतलब she is at that. I remember that Skype call. She's handling a show. But when you meet her, and she's like the sweetest, एकदम low decibel में बात करती है, एकदम like
आवाज ही नहीं आती है,
आवाज ही नहीं आती. And तो on the Skype call she's like, how are you? Whatever the formal conversation happened, and then she's like, come on, crack a joke. मेरा problem है कि while you're narrating the joke, I think I'll remember this, but if you ask me, ever crack a joke, मेरे को jokes ही याद नहीं रहते. And I'm very bad. My timing is also very bad. I'm like, मैंने बोला, listen, I don't know a joke. Is that okay with you? She's like, okay. She sing a song, and I did not know तभी Sunny Leone का वो Baby Doll song आया. I sung that song on my Skype call.
And she was the first. Sunny Leone was the first time.
Which I got to know later.
Yeah.
ये तो बहुत पहले की बात है यार. ये तो initial वो rounds clear कर रही थी मैं.
It's all destined, bro.
Yeah. And मैंने Baby Doll गाना गाया in front of Debbie on a Skype call and no inhibitions at all कि मैं कैसे गा रही हूँ. And बस उतना ही था मेरा Skype call. And then a week later, I get a call from that girl who auditioned me. It's like, you're selected. I am right in my office on my desk working. Afternoon, I remember, and I'm like, what? And I'm just looking. So तभी ना, I told one of my colleagues, listen, मैंने ऐसे कुछ audition दिया. I had told my mom also that I've auditioned, and she's like, क्यों? I mean, okay, मतलब she's like, audition ही दिया है ना.
जा तो नहीं रहे ना.
Then when I got this call, I was cold feet, like क्या करूँ?
Same.
And then again I was like, listen, मतलब मैंने बोला I'm selected, मतलब क्या as a contestant? बोलती yeah. And then I was like, okay. I told her, मैंने बोला listen, लेकिन मैंने किसी को बताया नहीं है. And I was just asking for more details. मैं कहाँ है shoot क्या है? Like listen, we cannot reveal you any of it. You say oh yes, we will get your contract done. You sign the contract and हम आपको, and you have to fly just the next day later. I'm like, oh God. So then I met a friend, again, my college friend. I was like, listen, dude, I'm selected. What should I do? I am working at a place for 2 years. Okay, I am at a good designation. I haven't told my boss. अभी कैसे एक मतलब obviously you're not that smart enough to plan things.
Yeah, at the last minute.
And I was like, so that day, that night, I did not know whether I'm going or not. I did not give any answer. The next, I don't know, that morning was like, something. I was so refreshed and I was like, why the hell am I not saying a yes? Go for it, matlab. Kya hoga zyada se zyada? You will have, even if you go for a date, you'll experience hoga. I just told that to myself and I spoke to my mom. I convinced her, I convinced my sister.
Clothing
And
situation?
oh my god, they had given me a list of things that I need to have. And yeah, initially when you're on your own, okay, it's just the start of your career. You're not, obviously, मतलब मेरे पास तो कभी कोई experience भी नहीं था, like, I was just a commerce graduate. यार अब कितना saving कर लोगे यार, but तो भी, and just because I had no time, whatever I had, I packed it and that night, next morning I have to take the flight. That night I dropped a message to my boss, के लंबा सा message, listen, all of this has happened and I am going for 25 days. And yeah, I mean, obviously I know कि गुस्सा तो आया ही होगा, but then I had to. I
You
took
didn't
that.
leave the job.
See, for me it was like, कौन रखेगा ऐसे employee को? Like somebody who just left. And I was working with an event company. We were into exhibitions, so it was like at the peak. That was the season for exhibitions, and we had a lot of clients to handle. And in between, I haven't even passed on my work to anybody, and I'm leaving. I've just left. I did feel bad. Okay, this is not the right thing, but I had no other option also. Yeah, I had to go. So that's how my Splitsvilla journey started. And oh my god.
Now your Splitsvilla journey started, and dude, like honestly, you are a very different person compared to the Splitsvilla girl we saw now, which my audience is in for a shock. But now here are some questions. So we are gonna come back to acting again. Since we are on Splitsvilla, I would like to end this segment where people have asked you certain questions. When you entered Splitsvilla, were you scared?
Obviously, yaar, matlab, I'm an introvert girl. ठीक है, मतलब I have never gone anywhere without my family, अकेले, and that too, no phones, nothing. Again, going to a place where you don't know anybody, you don't know what's going to happen to you, what's going to happen in the season, who are going to be the contestants, क्या experience होने वाला है. Everything. Obviously, I was shit scared, dude. मतलब
जो आपने लोग देखे, like Scarlett was there in your season.
Yeah.
I think Shravan was there in your season.
Shravan was there, Rishabh was there. I think so, since it was season 7, they got 7 celebrity guys and I think 20 girls from pan India, from different cities. But trust me, I think I had seen Rishabh on screen, I had seen Ayaz on screen. उसके अलावा मैं किसी को नहीं जानती थी. मतलब people knew them, but I did not know them. It was like that.
So this is out of question. This is my question. So there was this thing that we saw. There's a reel बहुत एक viral होती है जिसके अंदर Shravan threw something on Sunny Leone and Sunny Leone बेचारा her first season. She's also evolved so much now. She's so now it's like हटो अभी निकलो. पहले she used to be this quiet, calm little girl and all that. So what was that about? Like Shravan throwing the bottle.
So Shravan, no. So I think this was when the semi-final was happening.
Yeah.
Like, there were 2
I don't remember.
It was like a treasure hunt or something like that. And Shravan had lost it. Matlab, he did not reach in the top 2. And in that rage, so treasure hunt mein, there was this one last piece that you had to find and you have to come back to the palace. And we were all standing like Sunny Leone and Nikhil sir. They were all standing and the cameras were rolling. And suddenly, so they entered last, Shravan and his partner, I don't remember who it was. So उसके हाथ में जो था ना, just because he lost and in that rage, he threw it. He did not intentionally
threw Sunny,
in that direction, but it went through that direction. And I remember there was this complete silence on the set.
Her husband also came.
So Sunny's husband was always there in the palace, okay? And dude, he got so agitated because obviously,
it's his
it's
wife.
my wife.
Yeah.
And it could have hurt her. It was so close and he threw it with good force.
Yeah.
दूर से ऐसा फेंका था and that thing also broke. And it was complete silence and for me, I was like,
Gaya.
Too much of drama, but it was very wrong on his part to do it. See, I know, गुस्सा सबको आता है.
He was called Mad King, na?
It was the Mad King. He was. I mean, again, since he was the king, he was not in the palace. He wasn't around us. So I did not know him much around that time. But हाँ वो mad था. उसके decisions in the season were very weird. Like yeah.
What happened like after that happened? Was something happened off camera, or everything was whatever happened was on camera only?
See, I don't know when Sunny's husband entered in the scene. I don't know whether the cameras were rolling, but he was pissed. He was pissed.
Did he talk to Shravan? Like,
oh yeah, he did. He went close to Shravan. जितना मुझे याद है, he did go towards Shravan and nothing like to charge at him, but like what the hell, dude? What was that?
but then why did they made it like why the cut happened? Like they would have easily edited it out. Like it was put in the TV, you know.
Yeah, come on. It's drama. Why would you not show if there's any drama happening?
Yeah.
Come on, I mean, and why not? As a producer, you have good content. And it's a realistic content, nothing that you have created.
Yeah.
Or it's fake. It was real, and why not? Because Shravan was also a contestant. हम सबका behavior दिखाया जाता था ना, and वही तो है ना, that's what the show is. Whatever you're doing, आप सुबह उठ के रात तक सोते वक्त cameras होते हैं ना आपके आजू बाजू, just to show people also who you are, and that was his real personality. उसका जो भी था trait था वो बाहर आया. Why would they edit that?
No, he's Mad King real life में भी वैसे.
No,
Like,
मतलब
now though obviously he's grown up, but he
no,
was a
मतलब
kid.
I see again. He was the king and the queen. So king and the queen were always put somewhere else. They were not along with the contestants. मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि off camera में we all would be sitting
Yeah,
together.
that time it was strict.
So we never had any, not just me, no, since he was not around us, we never got to know him. We जब वो अपना what do you call, what is that called?
Dome, Oracle.
No. Eviction के time.
हाँ.
I forgot that word. जब भी वो eviction का जो episode हम लोग shoot करते थे, that's when जब
Dome ही होता था वो. I think so ना हमारे में dome होता था.
dome. No. I'm talking about कि eviction के time जैसे बताते थे कि यार the king and the queen are entering, they would actually even enter in front of us also
For
first
real.
time.
Okay.
For real.
Okay.
So I never got to know him, but जितना उसने किया था show में, I was not having any high regards about him. मतलब,
Okay.
anyway.
But what do you think who owned that season?
Owned.
You and Ayaz were definitely the highlight of the season.
We were, and see, I wouldn't say कि ये नहीं तो इनको तो जीतना ही चाहिए था. See, again, I was not a very strong contender in the show. I went
To have fun.
with an open heart. कि let's see what happens. मतलब I had kept my brains aside. I was just there to have fun, to take this experience that I've gotten out of nowhere. हाँ मतलब बहुत लोगों ने मेहनत की थी यार. मतलब मेरे भी I would say planning, plotting out there. Now that I understand कि यार आज अगर मैं स्पिट्सविला में जाती ना, I would now because you understand the game. But yeah, Mayank Gandhi was there. See, he won fair and square, I would say. He was very dedicated towards winning, I would say. He had his plans ready. He has manipulated people also. He has made his way out also if he needs to. He has performed in task also. So I think Mayank deserved to win.
You think he owned the season? Like I saw that na,
I wouldn't say own. I don't think so. Anybody owned that season.
Okay.
I don't think so.
That's a good.
I owned in the sense, I'll tell you what, because it was such, the contestants, the girls, the 20 girls that were got, amazing.
Beautiful.
From wherever, the casting from wherever it happened, the guys. It was a very
I think it was a
nice season. It
Yeah.
was a nice season. Like, and मैं तुझे frankly बोलूँ ना, मतलब देखो पता, I had this thing. Because मैंने initial seasons देखी थी. I was like, यार ये गाली गलौज होगा, ये ऐसा होगा, ये वैसा होगा. And I was somewhere prepared कि ऐसा होगा. But you know what? All the guys were, see क्या होता है ना, they already had a background. People knew them. They had a lot.
They were entering with the baggage.
Baggage, people know them. They
Yeah.
were celebrities.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And when you just enter from nowhere, like background, nothing, you can be whatever you want to be.
Yeah,
But today, as Priyanka, if I enter Splitsvilla again, dude, I will
Think twice.
think maturely
Yeah,
and
yeah.
do. Even if I want to play na, I will play it clean and square. मतलब गाली गलौज करना, मारा मारी करने से I will not.
Yeah.
So you know the guys, and initially it's always the guys who are all reached up and लड़ाई वड़ाई करना and all that. And these were like well behaved boys that were got on the show. So in a way ना फालतू की लड़ाई झगड़े नहीं हो रहे थे. It was, I wouldn't say, it was a very sober season.
Yeah,
like
I
in
think
a
so.
way. Like
I
the
think it matched
tasks
with the
were also
theme.
so nice.
Yeah.
The
concept was also
the
very
concept of the king and the queen and all of that was really nice. Yeah.
So, are you in touch with anybody from Switzerland?
No.
Not even Mayank?
No.
I'm actually in touch with half of your contestants.
Again, as I said, no. Yeah.
Nahi banti.
I wouldn't say. If we see each other, obviously there's going to be a hug and there's going to be the greetings and all that. मेरा कभी किसी के साथ बुरा नहीं हुआ था. The good part was that I have never, not that I was being goody, but in a way, what I was a very real. मैं फालतू के पंगों में कभी पड़ी नहीं हूँ.
आप हो वैसे भी बहुत real.
हाँ, तो मुझे ना मतलब nobody had any reasons to behave badly with me. And after that also, like, since our season was so successful, I think we were the only season who broke the records of the TRP also. So, मतलब जब कुछ पूरा था ही नहीं, there are no bad feelings. So, but again, as I said, no, everybody went their own ways. Like, I was starting a career of my own. Like, I was doing something very different. So, I was busy in my own life. Everybody got back to their own thing. So,
okay. Paushali Bodhya is asking, how is she doing in her life? She's already told. How is life after Splitsvilla, her Splitsvilla journey? What happened between her and Ayaz that they parted ways?
Oh God.
She was the most prettiest girl, just loved her, and Priyanka as Ayaz looked perfect. Priyanka and Ayaz looked perfect together. Wish we could see them together with a smiley.
This is such a cute thing that, people do remember.
Arey, dekh to lo bhai, I'm not making
this
shit
you
up.
have so many questions.
Dude, I got this.
Okay.
Okay, let's just get to the point. What really happened between you and Ayaz? Like, was it, first of all, let's start with the question of was it real also?
Yeah, I mean, I'll tell you, if people still remember the episode when he asked me out for a dance. That reaction of me, that it is coming from him. Because, we all were paired since the first episode, like, with how Alicia jisko diya, like, that way. Rishabh had picked up Unnati, Rishabh had picked me, and Ayaz had picked Unnati, and it was like a crossover. And then suddenly, it was this thing of, the guys entertaining the girls, and I think Ayaz chose to do a dance. And when he came to me, and when he asked for my hand, and I was like, yeah, what? Because, क्या था, initially, I was very quiet. I was just observing what's happening around me. I am your Sunny Leone. मतलब निखिल चिन्नप्पा, Splitsvilla, Palace में हूँ, जयपुर में हूँ. I was just observing things. I was just letting it sink in me, and I know, मतलब I knew it कि I'll be by myself. मतलब I am gonna be real. I'm not gonna pressure myself कि यार ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है, overly pretentiously किसी से बात करनी है, कुछ नहीं. So I was taking my own time, and I think it was just the second or the third day in the palace, and I was still, I hadn't made any effort. Like, there were girls who were going to the guys, initiating a conversation, and I was just sitting like this. I'm talking about the first day. Like, since when the guys entered, uske baad, everybody's trying to kind of woo the guys. I was just sitting. So, कहने का मतलब है कि me and Ayaz hadn't spoken only tab tak. And then he asked me for the dance, and that reaction was all natural, and I was like surprised coming from Ayaz, where I haven't spoken to you up till now. 2 दिन हो चुके हैं. So yeah, I mean, I am somebody. मुझे भी नहीं पता था that I'm gonna start liking a guy. It was a big thing for me to even do that on screen. मतलब back of my mind, it's like my mom's gonna watch it, my family's gonna watch it, like the world is gonna watch it. And I was very watchful of what I'm doing. And so the connection that we had, all the tears, all the conversations and everything was very raw, very real. Matlab, I was also just going with the flow. And we had no phones, nothing. We are in a palace, okay, 24/7 together. You start conversating with somebody, you start knowing this person, and you just start liking this person. So there was no motive for me कि यार मैं ये game के लिए कर रही हूँ, because मुझे खुद को भी नहीं, I had zero plan anyway. After entering the show, मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं था, and yeah, I still feel that it was very beautiful. It all happened naturally.
तो बात नहीं हुई शो के निकलने के बाद? या
नहीं, बात तो ऐसा नहीं था कि बात नहीं हो रही थी. I mean, obviously we were together for quite some time, but
after the show?
yeah, we were, and because, so I wouldn't say we were in a relationship, because I knew one thing, that okay, I knew a personality on the show. I want to now know him in real life. So I was trying to know him in real life, and simultaneously I was trying to figure out my life as well, like job करना है कि नहीं करना है. I started getting calls for auditions and all of that. My family is not liking this. So simultaneously I was also dealing कि यार अब क्या करना है career में. I cannot go back to my old job. So my boss was very sweet. He was like, hey, listen, I am ready to take you back, but now make your mind. फिर अगर you tell me कि listen, I'm going to switch or something like that, don't do that. But I said no. I'm like, no, I don't want to get back. I will take this opportunity. I will take some time, couple of months. I told my mom also gave me an ultimatum of 2 months. And by God's grace, I got it within 2 months. I got my first show. So, it was a very different struggle for me. Again, as I said, no, ki acting aati nahi hai. Not that I know anybody who can, help me out. Trying to figure out things by yourself. So I was also dealing with my own struggles. And then we were having our time getting to know each other. But again, let's be real, yaar. Matlab, again, people still do question me, what happened? Yeah, if two people don't get well along, it's better not to stretch it and to end it, right, on a good note. And that's what we did.
On a good note.
On a good note. Yeah, I mean, again, I saw Ayaz, we did a web show together, but we were not together in a scene. We did a web show. Later it was called Girlfriends, and उसमें था. So we had so our reading was in a room. सारे actors थे. I did not know that Ayaz is going to come, but when I saw him, I went and I said hi. So that's how I am as a personality.
How did that go? Hi.
Normal. Not very cold, not very warm, but just normal. Okay, I mean, I wanted to say hi. So I went up front and I said hi. But he also very nicely said hi, and it was just that. At least, now there's no elephant in the room. There's no tension in the room. You've broken the ice. Because again, we saw each other years later. And एक दूसरे को पता भी नहीं था कि okay, we are doing this one web show. And we are like, going to be acting in it. But when I saw him, when he saw me, there was no tension between us. Ki, yaar, oh my God, awkward, yeah. Not like
you never thought of being his friends, like?
No, yeah. See, the thing is, it's not that I'm not friends with my exes. I am, but later. When you break up, you just can't suddenly become a friend. You can become a friend when you both are completely out of it. And that did not happen with Ayaz, and I was completely okay with that.
Perfect. So that's the Ayaz chapter.
I know a lot of my fans have been heartbroken, because imagine 10 years later also they still have this question like, where is Ayaz? So this is, come on, yeah, let's be all adults. Nobody wants to be in a forced relationship. Nobody wants to be unhappy in a relationship. We both felt like, okay, nahi chal raha hai, to nahi chal raha hai, and let's, end it on a good note. So we've ended on a good note.
Who broke it up? You broke that?
It was mutual. We both understood at a level that, let's not make it dirty. Let's not fight. Let's not argue. And the good thing is we never did that. We mutually understood that, theek hai. Whatever time that we've had, it was beautiful, and let it just stay like that.
So fans really wanted to see you guys together, I think. Standing out from so many females in her season, how difficult has it been since being in the industry and staying relevant?
Staying relevant was never a task for me, because, see, I know where I come from. I know myself very well, and I know that I am somebody, matlab, to even pretend or smile, that's not me. मेरे से होता नहीं है. I can't do it. Matlab, to even behave in a certain way with somebody just to get something out of it, I can't do it. So it has never been a task for me to stay relevant. I have been very true about who I am and what I'm doing, and I think that's how that also helped me in sustaining in this industry, like entering into the TV industry and getting work getting work is again like it's a it's a byproduct. Matlab, you do good work, you'll get
But do
good
you
reward.
care about staying relevant?
Obviously, that is in real life also, that's very utmost important to me, and I also expect it from the other person to stay relevant.
We'll come to your TV thing after we complete the Splitsvilla questions. Are you dating or are you single now?
I am very much single.
You never dated after?
Yeah, I
I
did.
did.
But yeah, currently I'm single.
Sunny was the first time hosting in a season, and how any moment with Sunny like you had?
Oh my God.
You used to cry a lot in your season. Did Sunny come to you and be like, "Babe, don't cry"? It's
Oh my
same.
God. See, the thing is, Sunny, we were all just, forget the guys, we were all falling in love with Sunny only. Our eyes used to be on Sunny, forget the guys. हम लोग सिर्फ उसको ही, because she was a sensation, यार, and she still is. And, यार 10 दिन पहले मैंने उसका ये गाना देखा है, and 10 days later she is right in front of me. She is the most sweetest, cutest person that I've seen, man. And because I remember, when the next season was getting launched, we were all, the season 7 contestants were invited. I met her then also, and she remembered me. Imagine.
She always does remember people,
And
trust me.
see, I mean, as I said, no, she's again a very real personality. She is what she is. And see, you can fake it now, matlab, as we all know, how much can you fake it? How long will you fake it? We were there for 25 days. We've seen her every single day. We've seen like वो धूप में भी खड़ी है, तो वो खड़ी रहती है. She is not.
How cute is her husband always?
Oh my
being
God,
there.
I don't know if this is relevant or no, but I remember we were shooting in the desert. Jaipur में था. She's right under the sun, like scorching heat and all of that. Her husband wasn't there for a few days. She's right here, and दूर से she saw her husband coming. She went running, and she hugged him, like crawled on him, and it was such a cute moment.
Yeah,
I mean, I know that. That's again, these things I was also discovering for the first time. कि यार जरूरी नहीं that everything is fake.
Yeah. Dude, I agree here because it was my birthday on the set, okay? And I did not know Sunny's husband came to surprise her, okay? And suddenly lights go down and he's standing behind Ranvijay. And I stand up. That's like, because I felt like, because I was living in that zone, that I'm so important here. And my friends are like, why did you stand up? But anyway,
You think it was for you?
It was for me. And he bought roses and everything. And I'm standing up. My friend Maisha is like, Bhavya, sit. It's not for you. And everybody looked at me, bitch, you thought. He's the cutest. He is.
He is. And they still love him. That's good.
Okay, Shravan was so good looking, man. Why Priyanka chose Ayaz? Ask her. Samridhya Chaudhary.
Everyone was good looking over there. And see, again, as I said, no, Shravan wasn't there in the palace. With Ayaz also, it was like, it just so organically happened. And it wasn't like, yaar, usko dekha, mere ko usse pyar ho gaya. No, matlab, he started liking me. I started talking to him. With time, I started liking him. So there was no, as I said, no, there are 7 good-looking guys, but if you connect with one person, it is the connection.
I agree.
You just can't go by the looks. Yeah, come on.
About that episode where she was betrayed by few people, what was her reaction?
I was crying.
Yeah, you cried.
I'm a very emotional person. My first thing is, if I felt bad about something, be it any strong emotion, I'll start crying. That's my first thing to do, and I feel lighter. And obviously on that show also, I've cried. I know I've cried. When Ayaz also was evicted. When my
Priyanka,
friends,
sorry to interrupt. I have to tell you one thing.
Yeah.
I've done so many podcasts with so many people who have done like yours. So still is like this one like 7, 8 or whatever.
Yeah.
But I've done people with 5th, 4th, 3rd or whatever. But now when I do 9th ka also, people are like, I don't remember how vividly you remember everything. I don't even have to explain because I'm like, thank God she's not asking.
I exactly know in which episode
gig.
people betrayed me. Yeah. And I exactly know that Ayaz wasn't
so
there.
Beautiful.
And I felt bad. Those tears were real. And I was like, listen, you know what happened? No, again, I was coming from somewhere. I was alone. Then somebody became like a friend to me on the show. And I was like, it felt, I have somebody to go to talk to, you know, like somebody safeguarding me on the
Somebody
show.
is
When
your person.
Ayaz left, no, it just felt like I am on my own. And I knew it, come on, somewhere that, you know, everybody's a couple already now. I'm the only one. So I'm the only one who's going to, you know, step out. But kya hota hai na? See, when, and I would say that to some level, I'm still very stupid. I believe people very easily. And I'm okay. I know I've learned my lessons, but you know, back then though I was even more naive. तो यार किसी ने मुझे बोला कि listen, you know, I'm going to save you, I'm going to save you. I'll be like, okay, thank you so much. And then while the cameras were rolling and things just flipped and I was like, oh my god. मुझे बाहर निकलने का वो नहीं था. Somebody betrayed me, you know, that was the thing is why I cried. So I was crying.
Okay. Okay, so next question is, was Scarlett Rose a deserving winner? Because the audience really thought that Khushi is winning the game any day.
See, I'll tell you, Khushi deserved to win. Deserved to win as an individual. I still remember her. I mean, me and Khushi were in touch for a very long time. Like, I went to Delhi, I was called for events. So, she was there, I stayed at her place. So, for a very long time, I was in touch with her. And Khushi was a very smart girl, dude. She knew she was politically always correct with her statements. She had her mind. So, I think if I look at all the girls, she deserved to win as a I think Scarlett was a good contestant. Matlab, she had a good
Storyline.
I mean, she was good with everyone. I mean,
आपके
I'm not saying that she did not play. She played her game as well. But, you know, if you personally, you know, see, I know she's the winner. I'm not saying she's not deserving, but I think Khushi deserved more to win.
I agree. I think audience also
Yeah.
said that. Sangeeta is saying this, but I want to know this. आपके season के अंदर बहुत body shaming हुआ था. There was a lot of body shaming done, and you know, Scarlett stood up and Scarlett said that, you know,
It is.
Yeah.
So I think it was Jacqueline and
Yeah. Scarlett also was called black, white.
Yeah,
honestly.
yeah,
So when
yeah.
you were listening to all of this, were you a kid enough not to understand all of this, or you knew it that bro क्या ही हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
No, I was very much aware of what they were talking, and I could empathize with them because, yeah, imagine like being called out names for something which is so naturally you're natural, right? But how people look down upon your skin color, your body weight, your the way you dress up, and all of that. See, now people are vocal. Now people have normalized these things, but back then, there were girls who used to comment on the kind of clothes that she used to wear or how Jacqueline used to talk. So yeah, but ठीक है, मतलब they were speaking their mind. Nothing that I have, मतलब I understand. I mean, Scarlett had spoke up about that matter, which was very good on her part to speak up. But yeah, I can empathize what they are still going
Have
through.
you gone through body shaming? No, never.
Never.
Bullied?
So many times in school.
Really?
Yeah. Bullied in the sense, see, I'll tell you what. When you are purposely sidelined, no, that's also a bully.
Why do you keep saying purposely? Why do you think people like wanted, like do you think that you were, as you said a lot of times, you were a kid and you were not seen? Do you think people hated you because they saw something good in you?
No.
Okay.
Dude, I'll tell you how I used to look in my school. I had a thick brow. I used to wear chashma. I would not even talk. I wasn't even the brightest kid. कि चल यार, they don't like me because of that. Nothing. एक होता है ना कि
why to become friends with this person?
No, it's like, you know, it's not that anybody hated me. They just did not like me. They had no reasons to dislike me in a way. But वो होता है ना कि यार, see, सब बच्चे ही थे. Not that anybody is doing things purposely, but yeah, as you go on in 8, 9, 10, तब तो दिमाग होता ही है. But you know, people, I have considered them friends, but they have betrayed me then also. Like then, वो होता है ना school में, like then you, like if you're my bench mate, तो आज तो मेरी best friend है, कल कोई और आएगा तो तू मेरी best friend, and that's how I've been betrayed. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of a bully. I'll tell you why. Like, you know, purposely just commenting कि मैं चश्मिश हूँ. That's also a bully.
Yeah.
Purposely looking that I'm sitting alone and yet you're, you know, giving me looks. That's also a bully. Yeah. You're making me feel bad, no? Purposely. कहने का मतलब. You exactly know that you can call me. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने कभी बात नहीं की है. You can still call me and ask me कि चल ये join our group. नहीं किया.
Ask her if she get a call from Splitsvilla to join them in next season. So what will be her answer? Yes or no, and why?
Yes, very much, yeah.
Yeah.
I would really want to, because again, to what I was back then and now 10 years
Yeah.
later, I am a different personality, and now
Now you'll do Big Boss.
oh, I don't think so. I'll do Big
Come on, you're a
Boss.
Colors ka face.
See, it has nothing to do with doing a show on Colors. It is, see, I know it is very mentally challenging game, bro. Matlab,
Have you never been approached for Big Boss?
I was approached for the OTT platform. I was being called again to audition, and again I had my other things going on, so I had to say a no even for that. So, but yeah, there are a lot of people who do tell me कि Big Boss में आओ, खतरों के खिलाड़ी में आओ. Let's see.
कलर्स में तो आई हो ही तो अभी एक दो
But
साल
even
में
a Colors के साथ, it's my second show.
Yeah, we'll get to that.
Yeah.
Please tell her that she's the most beautiful girl in the history of Splitsville. And the
Oh
question,
my God, yeah, thank you so much.
And
But
the question for her is, many guys were behind her, but why did she do it? Really? With many guys?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Apart from Ayaz, anyone even attempted to talk to me or, express their feelings towards me. I think everybody had found their partners on the show, in a way. Like, not just because, we were purposely paired, कि, that elixir wala jo tha, कि, this, I've given it to her, now I only need to know her. ऐसा नहीं था. Everyone was open to everyone. So, none of them have expressed their feelings for me ever.
Only
on
Ayaz
the
did.
show. Ayaz did it very openly, and yeah.
Would she ever meet Ayaz now? She just said she met Ayaz.
Yeah.
But it went.
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you, like, people really want to know when they will see you in Big Boss?
I don't know.
Why they chose
I don't know.
Why they chose hot Rajasthan for shooting?
It's a beautiful location.
Yeah, it was.
I think
I
we
loved it.
have, dude, staying in a palace.
It was really a
में.
palace?
It was Samod Palace. I still remember. It was a palace that we were staying in. Dude, there are such beautiful properties, and it was like the theme of that was like,
King and queen.
the king and queen, and very cultural kind of a love. हमारे टास्क भी सब ऐसे ही होते थे.
It was beautiful.
It was a beautiful location. Yeah.
Very,
Why not?
Very nice. Why do you think that Shravan is targeted all the time? Is this true? You and Ashwini are going to pair up together in starting? No.
Nothing like that ever happened.
Also, do you think that Shravan is targeted all the time by Abhishek?
Oh yeah.
No. Shravan खुद ही ऐसे काम करता था कि वो
See,
target
that's what ना मतलब वो भी कम नहीं था ना.
कोई कम नहीं
I
होता
think
NCOs के
I
अंदर.
think दोनों को they played well, as individuals, and yeah, I mean अगर उसमें कुछ अगर heat up हो जाता है तो ठीक है.
Just like season 12, Bhatia and Maisha, Abhishek and Khushi were the most deserving winner of season 7. But unfortunately, the makers wanted Gandhi to win the show by making a finale challenge in such a way that it was easy for Scarlett and Gandhi to win, as they are physically both strong. The challenge was all scripted. Do you agree to that?
What was
Challenge was all scripted. The finale
No,
challenge.
yeah, not possible. You can't. It was such a big task. It was a long task. Nobody would have gauged that who's going to come first. I don't think so.
What do you like? Let's give like a statement to the audience watching right now. What do you think the reality shows are scripted? The tasks are manipulated. Do they know who they are going to make the winner of the show? What is your perspective about it?
See. Nothing is scripted for sure. It is, as
You
I
were
said,
never told anything to do.
never. Is why I can't tell you the amount of times people have questioned when I've answered this. Ke it wasn't scripted. But yes, I know it is manipulated. See, क्या होता है ना, the audition process. Now, when I tell you 45 questions, I have to know your personality.
Yeah.
Okay? To know you in and out. There is a reason you've been picked for the show. Okay? Now, they have worked out the entire show. मतलब, they've planned it all out. क्या task होंगे, कैसे task होंगे, all of that. सबकी personalities पता है, and when two different personalities are gonna collide, मतलब वो झगड़ा और वो सब तो होना ही है ना.
Same, हाँ, very good.
तो if I put, for example, अगर श्रवण and अभिषेक को एक task में against डाल दिया है, what's gonna happen?
लड़ाई
They know it. तो इसलिए अभिषेक और श्रवण को डाला. उनको पता है कौन कैसा है और कौन कैसी situations में कैसे behave करने वाला है. So those situations are designed in a way that they exactly know what the outcome is going to be. And I don't think so they are wrong in that. They have, you have given this opportunity, you've gotten 27 people on a show. Obviously, there needs to be some drama, no? Something to
excite
their
the
real
audience.
personalities to
Yeah,
come
yeah.
out, to shine through.
Yeah.
Aaj everybody shines through only, na? Splitsvilla,
Yeah.
10 years later also people remember me. चल मैंने तो ज़्यादा कुछ मतलब किया नहीं था, but I'm just saying that why not? They are manipulated and that's the whole point.
But the winners and everything, according to you, it's all fair and square.
I think it is. I think.
But it's very shocking that, you know, from your season, you know, whatever podcast I've done, there are a lot of clashes here. Nine, I bring people, they say that, you know, like we were told to do this, but it's on you, you are going to listen.
See, I can only talk about my season because I don't know anybody from any other seasons. I can only talk about my season.
But nobody was told.
I wasn't told. I don't know if anybody else was told. I was, throughout those 25 days, nobody came into my room and told me that, listen, you say this or do this or behave like this. Truly.
Okay. So. Next question is, in grand finale of season 7, वो जो fight हुई थी अश्विनी कौल and Mayank Gandhi, it's blurred. मतलब पूरा scene नहीं दिखाया. क्या हुआ था actually?
I'm trying to recollect right now. Season finale में अश्विनी और Mayank. What exactly had happened?
God knows. I really don't know.
Listen, I don't remember that fight. It was blurred out. Okay.
वो कर देते ना वो.
I understood that, but I'm trying to recollect. गाली गलौची
हुई होगी.
हाँ, वही होगा. क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ बड़ा होता तो मुझे याद होता. But I think it was just another fight between the boys. Nothing new.
Did girls fight more or the boys fought more?
I think the boys.
Bro, your boys.
I'll tell you because you know these 20 girls were coming from very different areas, okay, of the country. Like not everybody was up and ready to fight and you know give it back.
Who was the girl who used to give it back a lot?
Again, not being diplomatic, मेरा किसी के साथ कभी कोई झगड़ा ही नहीं हुआ यार. Because as I said, no, I was there to have fun. I'm not here to win the show. Obviously, मतलब when it was needed, like to do a task or something like that, I had put it all in. But मेरा touch हो गया, किसी के साथ नहीं हुआ problem. And होता तो भी तो होता, मतलब then again उसमें भी I would be real. कि अगर किसी ने मुझे कुछ बोला है तो मैं 2 चीज और ज्यादा ऐड करके बोलूंगी. तो not that I was नहीं हुआ इसलिए not that I was being fake or anything, but मेरा actually किसी के साथ कोई पंगा नहीं हुआ. मतलब I know that I was betrayed a lot many times, but again जो मेरा emotion तभी था, even off camera I would not talk to that person. It wasn't just while the cameras were rolling. अगर मयंक गांधी ने मुझे betray किया है तो उसने मुझे किया and I haven't spoken to him throughout that season. So, yeah.
Did you and Mayank meet after the show?
Like we have bumped into each other rather than meeting. Yeah.
Why she was super emotional in this Splits journey?
Because I am a personality like that. I wasn't very prepared, as I said, what's going to come on my way. So whatever happened.
But also
my
you're
first
very emotional. That's also.
See, क्या होता है ना, like when you're prepared, you exactly know what's going to come on your way. मेरे लिए नहीं था, तो मेरे को हर चीज में रोना इसलिए आ जाता था because I just felt very bad and my first emotion was just that कि मेरे को रोना आ रहा है वैसा.
Okay, Mayank Gandhi ने उनको क्यों dumping में भेजा? They gave you word, still they dumped. What was her reaction?
It actually came as a shock, no? Because I thought like यार चल
Mayank did betray you that
he did. And see what I'll tell you, it's not just everything that you see on camera. Off camera also now he used to consider me as a sister. And हम लोग हमेशा, I remember me, Ayaz, Mayank Gandhi and Rashi, we used to chill a lot, like sit, talk, conversations चल रही है. So since it was off camera, I thought it was all real, whatever he's the way he's putting himself in front of me, that's his real personality. And again, not वो एक होता ना कि मैंने तुमको नहीं बोला था. You सामने से came and you told me कि listen, I'm going to safeguard you. And then just when you have to, like, save me, you do the opposite of it.
Yeah.
So that was a shock. That was like something that I
But in
very
real life, you
strongly.
let it go. And obviously.
No, in real life also I would not let it go. अगर ये real life situation होती तो again as I said no, जब मैंने show में भी उससे बात नहीं की थी तो मैं real life में भी उससे बात नहीं करती. And that's why मतलब what I used to think of him, and after that episode that happened, I wouldn't even care to get to know him even more, मतलब, or even stay in touch for that
But
matter.
don't you think the game में जो हो रहा है वो game का perspective और real life में?
See, listen, मुझे unsafe करके उसको कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला था. That just spoke. तू game खेल अगर if it's adding up to your game.
Yeah.
It did nothing to your game. Then why the hell did you do it?
So that makes sense. I think
Yeah,
fair
ना
enough.
मतलब you tell me I'm gonna play a game. I'm playing my game. I'm not. मैं बोल रही हूँ ना. See, I wouldn't feel bad because यार मेरा game नहीं है ना. तुम लोग का तो game है. तुम लोग खेलो. If you have the brains, go for it. But don't do the opposite. Don't be goody in front of me and then do the opposite of it.
Makes
कहने का
sense.
मतलब.
Makes sense.
And I'm somebody in real life also. I like people, like, if you don't like me, tell me on my face. Don't pretend. Don't
Yeah,
be
no,
all
it's-
sugarcoated with me. Stay real in a way.
So true. Ask her equation with Diana.
Diana, no, nothing. Yeah. On the show also, I mean, she's a sweet girl. Matlab, she always had language was a barrier for her, but nothing. Just with the
Scarlett
show.
Rose?
Nothing.
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 Never thought of becoming friends outside?
No, yeah. We did catch up like for an event when we were called and we did meet up. She's a sweet girl, but वो वही है ना कि नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, मतलब अगर मुझे एफर्ट नहीं डालना था तो उसको भी एफर्ट नहीं डालना था, तो it was all okay. Not that I had the intentions to make her friend. Like on the show also, we were like very cordial. I wouldn't say कि अरे she's a very good friend. No. शो में नहीं बनी है तो उसके बाद भी we were pretty much adults about it, yeah.
But you were happy Scarlett won.
I was happy. I liked her as a girl. Like, but as I said, no, ki, since you were asking me, no, who owned that show? So Mayank Gandhi, the way he played it mentally, and that way Khushi, because she was like a strong contender. वो बेचारी queen बन गई इसलिए उसको task was ज़्यादा. She wasn't much seen, मतलब, in the show. But she would have killed it otherwise. She भाई वो मस्त बंदी थी, दिमाग से खेलती थी.
उनके season का treasure hunt challenge, was it scripted or not? Nothing was scripted, she just.
No, it wasn't, yeah. I remember we shot that entire top 3, top 2 wala pura, we shot it for 12 hours. So nothing can be scripted for such a
12
long time, yeah,
hours?
because it started in the morning, it ended in the evening. Almost sunset हो गया था तभी हमारा खत्म हुआ था.
वो भी इसलिए होगा कि लाइट जा रही है.
Yeah, and so यार कैसे तुम see, treasure hunt was a very long task. Everybody started on their own. तो मतलब तुम क्या स्क्रिप्ट करना चाहते हो? कि तुम क्या ही कर सकते हो स्क्रिप्ट यार उसमें. So
That's like what, yeah, I also feel like people जिनका कुछ ज्यादा शो से होता नहीं है ना, वो थोड़ा बवाल मचा देते हैं कि स्क्रिप्टेड है, स्क्रिप्टेड है.
अरे I'll tell you what, even if today people here ना Splitsvilla scripted है, हाँ तो है तो क्या? If you wanna go, you go ना. Scripted भी है तो prove yourself, go ahead. If you like it, if you love the show, why not go ahead? Scripted अगर है भी, if you really want to believe people के scripted है, तुम्हें जाना है तुम जाओ ना. Scripted में भी देखो क्या होता है. It's an experience, I'm telling you, yeah. You become somebody else after the show. You feel so much more confident and you feel like यार तुमने बहुत कुछ सीख लिया बहुत कम टाइम में.
How did she stop aging?
Come on, yaar. Come on. Be real with me, guys.
No, but
I haven't stopped aging. I have aged, and I'm very open about that. And see, again, with time you start becoming very comfortable. And I'm not just saying just to say it, but I know what I used to look when I was 21, 22 when Splitsvilla happened. It's been 10 years. Obviously, I'm going to look different, and it's aging. It's a very natural process, yeah.
Priyanka, since you said that you and Raz were on the show and you liked each other, whatever. So if you go on another show and you like somebody, now also Priyanka will be real and like.
What obvious, yeah. See, it is something which is within you. I don't think so. In real life also, like, I have always been very true to myself. Even if there is something else needed out of me now, my guilt, my conscience will only not allow me. in any situation. मतलब pretend तो मुझे कोई कितना पैसा भी दे देना तो भी मैं सिर्फ acting कर सकती हूँ and as profession, but in real life
You can't.
I
अब आप स्प्लिट्सविला से बाहर ले आते हैं हमको थोड़ा, मेरे को आना है क्योंकि इसलिए जब आप स्प्लिट्सविला से बाहर आए, so what was your mom's reaction? Did she like you in the show? What was it?
It was mixed. So one thing that she was very happy that my daughter is back. She was without her daughter, no contact, nothing for 25 days. She was happy to see me. She came to receive me on the airport. And yeah, she was normal. She used to see the episodes. She understood like what all is happening, and I told her about what all happened. And there's this guy, this Ayaz, उसके साथ मेरा ऐसा थोड़ा सा connection हुआ था and all of that. Also because my mom is a very broad-minded lady. She has, उसने ना बहुत in a right way, उसने ना हमें वो freedom दी है. Even being like a single mother to their daughters, she's been a very good friend. मतलब I can say this because I was very young. My sister was in college, my eldest sister. So I have seen their wavelength, like how my mom used to know all my sister's friends. Her friends used to come in her absence to my house just to meet my mom. So I know how my mom is. So कभी वो डर मतलब वो respect था कि do not cross your limits. But yes, I could anytime go up to her and tell her what exactly happened. Like
So she was happy.
She was happy. But again, like उसके बाद she wasn't happy because again now I'm planning to shift my career. So she was not happy about it at all because for all the right reasons, yeah. उसने मुझे जाने दिया Splitsvilla because I wanted to go. That is a very big thing, yeah. मतलब, but then she was like, "Beta, you need to get back to your routine, to what you were doing. I think that's a much safer place for you." Because again, I'll tell you, Bhavya, the thing is,
वो अंदर होता है exterior.
नहीं वो अंदर नहीं होता. क्या होता है ना when you जैसे कि how fans believe rumors in today's time also people believe rumors, right? कि अगर ये सच है क्या? चल today तो we have a lot of mediums through which we can know कि असली में है कि नहीं. But पहले
बहुत
बातों से ही आज तूने यहाँ की बात वहाँ की और तूने बढ़ा चढ़ा के की. And I mean, for example, मेरी mom को कुछ बोला, who is she going to validate it from? You तो will listen and you will believe कि यार ऐसे ही होता है. But so that was her inhibition कि यार I do not want you to enter TV. Why you want to do that? You don't know anybody. And यार पहले
casting
कभी भी सी ये medium ना films, TV ये सब के बारे में हम बुरा ज़्यादा सुनते हैं. ठीक है. So I knew where she's coming from and why she is stopping me.
But you still went for it.
See, I had my reasons. Okay. I had gotten a very good response from Splitsvilla. Somebody is liking, somebody thinks that I should be on TV. Why not? So for me, as I told you now, you put me into any challenge. I will not say a no. I will at least try, do my best, and come back and leave. So, I mean, obviously, मेरी मम्मी का थोड़ा मतलब वो up and down हो रहा था. So I was like, Mama, give me 2 months. चल. If nothing happens, no, I will go back to my normal life. And यार मुझे ना, I used to give 4-5 auditions in a day.
लाइन में खड़े होते थे.
लाइन में खड़े होना, वेट करना, खुद का हेयर मेकअप यार. I did not know how to do all of that. आज सबको पता है कि यार लाइटिंग लेना, you have stuff available you can learn from. मुझे ना मेकअप करना आता था, कॉस्ट्यूम क्या पहन के जाना है, लाइंस कैसे करनी है, कैमरा के सामने देखकर एक्टिंग करनी है. Like because I had a drive. I'll tell you what that drive was. That drive was that I want to take care of my family financially. I had that drive that I want to fucking earn money, give an amazing, like I have seen all my life my mom struggling, working hard, trying to make the ends meet. And obviously we did get better with time, but I am like yaar chal wo to ho gaya na. Now what about this? I know TV will give me good money. I will put in whatever it takes, but it will support my dreams, right? So I entered TV because of that. मेरे को क्योंकि कभी एक्टिंग का शौक नहीं था, एक्टिंग के बारे में पता भी नहीं था.
So the drive was only money.
No, that drive was the financial security for my family to fulfill the dreams. I falling in love with acting. Because धीरे धीरे करके when I started getting very important roles, like I started getting good scenes, emotional scenes बोल, negative मैंने किया है.
What do you like more, negative or positive?
I like negative.
Why?
It has, because you have many shades to play. See, I'll tell you what. TV में है, मतलब if you are the, आप typecast नहीं हो सकते हो. मतलब मैंने positive भी किया है, मैंने lead भी किया है, मैंने parallel lead भी किया है, मैंने negative भी किया है. Initially in my career, I did supporting roles also. I wasn't typecasted कि तू negative ही कर. I have done positive. People have liked me in a positive role. People have liked me in a grey shade role also, यार. मतलब it's actually your performance, na. If it is convincing to you that I can be good and bad both, that's my work actually, and that is a good appreciation in a way, I feel. So I fell in love with acting, and as you asked me ki tomorrow if I get a film, web show, TV, ads, whatever, I will take it. Because
but you also said that you've never been like, you don't feel like TV के अंदर typecast है. Because a lot of women who I meet and like who do it.
Typecast in the sense, can you explain
how you look
like?
Like suppose some women have very like negative features and some women have very positive features, the face features, the cut and everything. अरे मतलब आप दो लड़कियां एक रखोगे तो आपको पता लगेगा ना कि थोड़ी.
See the typecast. See, there is a notion that's been set past many decades now of how a positive face should look like and how a negative face should. इसका दोनों के मेकअप्स भी अलग होते हैं, दोनों के कॉस्ट्यूम्स भी अलग होते हैं, दोनों की लाइंस, लैंग्वेज सब कुछ अलग है. बट नाउ दिस हैज बीन सेट दैट वे. सो हाँ है, इन अ वे इट्स टाइपकास्टेड, लाइक बट मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी जस्ट बिकॉज मैंने नेगेटिव किया तो मुझे पॉजिटिव रोल्स नहीं मिलता. होता है, बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है, लाइक दे आर कंसीव्ड in a certain way only, and it happens. I'm not denying that it doesn't happen, but it hasn't happened with me. But ये होता है, like but ये industry ने तो ये set किया ना. आज मैं बोलूँ, if you for example, I'll tell you, if you have a girl with sharp features, वो कर सकती है positive role, but तुमको लगेगी नहीं, तुमको ना एक भोला face चाहिए. You have to see, there's a lot of investment that goes into understanding the audience also now. मतलब there is a reason why they pick a certain face for a positive role. So it works for them. But again, coming back to the point, typecasted होते हैं, बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है कि उनको एक certain role ही दिया जाता है.
Like how Urvashi Dholakya, if we say that, she's always played negative roles.
Yeah.
And then we come to this one, Rubina. Yeah. She's always been the positive role.
But she can play a very good negative role
as well. But she's never been, I don't think so, I don't remember she's ever played any negative roles.
See, play का बात नहीं है, मिलना भी तो चाहिए ना. देख क्या होता है वो होता है. Like, it takes a lot of brains to see you as a negative person. किसी का वो viewpoint होना जरूरी है. And somebody has to get it.
You are doing a negative role, right?
Yeah, I am.
Do you think audience is buying that?
Yeah, they hate me. I get such hate comments. And I like the fact that
what do you get hate comments क्या आते हैं?
मतलब वही ना यार, you are doing too much of negative so people start relating
to the
characters only. They think that I am Jia and I am this bad as a person. But you do your thing so convincingly, like if you want to be a badass on screen, you play it so convincingly that people should get galis.
Wow.
I feel, yeah. If you've hated me, see, only as people, as an actor today, I know कि यार ये बंदे ने ना ये negative role किया है, तो ये negative तो नहीं है, I know, but यार क्या सही negative किया है.
People bought it,
I bought it, I liked it. So the fraternity understands. See, fans are very naive that way, मतलब they relate the characters as real life people only. So I get such hate comments.
Now I want to know, like, Balaji, you've never worked with?
I've done 2 shows.
Have you met Ekta?
I met Ekta ma'am when I got my first show, and oh my god, we all have grown up watching
what is
all shows of Ekta
Yeah,
Kapoor.
yeah.
All shows of Ekta
Saas
Kapoor.
Bhi
And
Kabhi
we've
Bahu
been
Ki
hooked.
Aur.
मतलब Mihir mara to even if I was 6 years old, I felt bad. I was like, why the hell did he die? And when he made a comeback, तो I was like, ये क्यों अभी freeze point पे आया? अभी क्यों नहीं दिखा? Because you're a kid, you think like, now I understand why they need that freeze point, but it's a big deal. So, I'll tell you, Bhavya, everything was happening very fast for me. Like, I think मैंने जून में स्पिट्सविला किया, अगस्त सितंबर टाइप्स मैंने 2 महीने ऑडिशंस दिए, अक्टूबर में मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया एंड फटाफट आई एम मीटिंग एकता. सो मेरा कास्टिंग हो गया एंड एकता मैम, I mean, वो सबको हमेशा whenever she's launching a new show, I think it's a thing also that everybody is called, the entire cast is called. She sits thoroughly. She goes through every person, their characters, their traits, and she'll brief you properly. So for me, it was like, oh my god, matlab, I can't believe this, because मेरे लिए, as I said, no, बहुत fast हो गया सब कुछ. And right now, I'm going to Ekta ma'am's office. I'm gonna see her. Like, you start recollecting everything that you know about this person. Yeah, she's made this show, she's made so many people famous and all of that, and now I am sitting in front of her.
But you know what the funniest part is, Priyanka? Like, she's made so many people famous, right?
Yeah.
And we all know TV is her game.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
like, let's just say it, she's the mafia of TV. Like,
She is.
yeah,
She's the boss of it.
Yeah. This is how Gen Z
She
say.
created
The
television.
rumors around her, like, people want to work with her, but then behind the back, there's so much to say about her, like, and today
Like
I'm sitting,
what?
like, whatever, let's not get there, but people have had perceptions about her, what, she's like this, she has favorism, biasness, she doesn't go with the acting, whatever. Today you are sitting here, you're an outsider, let's be honest, you're not like somebody inside or whatever, and you were saying that, she was sitting with me in an interview, having one-on-one, and like knowing the character and everything. So it was a big deal for you also.
It was. And see, I'll tell you, Bhavya, favoritism har jagah hai. Matlab, see, today if I am running a company, and if I am producing a show, and if I like this girl, even if she's my friend, and if I like her as an actor also, why shouldn't I take her? What is the problem? I know. See, I can understand why people are frustrated and why they are making these comments, because I know they are also waiting for an opportunity. I can empathize with them also. But यार अभी ये ऐसा है ना कि यार ये भी सही है, ये यहाँ पे भी सही है. So I don't have much to say to this, yeah, because I know the frustration when you are a good actor, when you've done good work, and you are still not getting work.
Yeah.
But I'll just tell you that, yaar, time makes everything right, yaar. Then it's not your time.
So true.
Because I'll tell you what, my career was going up, and suddenly whatever, it became stagnant. COVID bhi to aa gaya na. Things have changed after COVID. It's not the same now. But वो वही है ना, out of sight, out of mind जैसा हो गया. No matter how much I have worked, people did not cast me because यार तुमने 2 साल में कोई शो नहीं किया. It's been a very long time. We want a recent phase, like the ongoing phase. I used to get these comments. Production houses, casting people have told me this. कि मैम आपका लास्ट शो क्या था? मैंने बोला, listen, my last show was in 2020 में था. So you are viewed in a different light then. They know my audition was good. I'm a good actor. But there are these notions, I don't know where it's coming from, but ये है लोगों में. नहीं करेंगे cast. So, you can only just wait for the right opportunity to somebody looking at you and grabbing you in short.
ये लोग बोलते हैं कि जो कलर्स के फेस होते हैं इनके साथ भी थोड़ा फेवरेटिज्म होता है, बायसनेस होती है,
हर जगह होता है.
So you think out of all the channel, colors holds the most value, or do you have like, because colors के लोग ज़्यादा, जैसे Big Boss आता है, Big Boss comes every year, and Big Boss के अंदर we see a lot of faces from colors who are acting and all of that. So like बहुत कम होते हैं Star Plus वाले लोग. So now you worked with colors also.
See, I'll tell you, if colors, I think you got to think from the channel's point of view. Tell me one thing, even if they've picked up their own actors, क्या फाड़ा नहीं है क्या उन लोगों ने शो में? They've killed it, no, on the show. Is it that, लिया है but they have underperformed and audience को मजा नहीं आ रहा है? आया ना मजा.
Audience
Take
wait कर
सिद्धार्थ
रहे
शुक्ला,
हैं.
take रुबीना. क्या परफॉर्म किया है यार उन लोगों ने. They
ईशा
were
also.
themselves and they fought it. मतलब मैंने वो सीजन्स देखे थे and I was like फाड़ दिया था यार सीजन. तो किया ना, ऐसा तो नहीं था कि यार लिया है तो उन्होंने भी कुछ देखकर ही तो लिया होगा ना. So I don't think that should be a problem.
Do you think casting couches there in TV? No. Pure
It wasn't
talent.
there also. ये I don't know. See, I'll tell you.
ये कहाँ से rumors आते हैं?
See, again वही है ना. To validate, I can validate it कि जब मैं नई थी मुझे डर था इस चीज का, because मैंने भी तो सुना ही था ना, सिर्फ उसको वैलिडेट कौन करेगा. ये तो मुझे ही अब पता चलेगा कि होता है कि नहीं होता है यार. एवरी प्रोडक्शन हाउस, एवरी कास्टिंग पर्सन इज सो प्रोफेशनल. मतलब मैंने आज तक, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ मेरे साथ, मेरे आजू बाजू मेरे इतने सारे आई हैव डन सो मेनी शोज, आई हैव हैड सो मेनी को एक्टर्स, मैंने किसी के मुंह से नहीं सुना. नॉट फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ देयर करियर और टू वेयर दे वर, उनके साथ कभी नहीं हुआ. ये नहीं होता यार, ये नहीं होता है गाइस. सी नाउ, see you have to understand, like अगर किसी की नीयत खराब है, so you can't blame the production house. There are casting people who can take advantage if the girl is also ready to surrender. It goes both ways यार. मतलब कोई तुम पर ऐसा हावी नहीं होने वाला है. See, क्योंकि I'll tell you what the real setup is. There's a production house, ठीक है? It's a huge office. उसी में casting वाले बैठते हैं और तुम्हारी casting भी, audition भी वहीं पे होता है. So you think anybody is going to behave in a wrong way to you? या कोई producer आके तुम्हें
Big liability, bro.
Nobody does it. मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है और मैं, not that I know anybody जिसके साथ हुआ है.
If somebody wants to get into TV, and there's this notion in people's head that TV is stressful, TV is tantrums, TV is this, TV is that. What would you tell the audience right now watching?
See, it is everything. And it is everywhere.
I think it's very, I genuinely feel like it's very
I
hard
don't know
to get into TV.
why are we just categorizing TV tantrums. मतलब working hours getting extended कहाँ नहीं होता. My sister works with a bank. वो ऑफिस से आके भी अपना काम करती है. सबके ऑफिस में भी tantrums होते हैं. But I don't know what is the problem just with the TV industry. Hey, it is difficult. But I think again it's an experience. I'll tell you, I have met very shrewd actors. I've worked with them. मुझे बुरा भी लगा, पर मैंने सीखा भी कि ठीक है, this is how it is. Why do we expect that everything and everyone is going to be good to us?
Yeah.
What are we scared? Like somebody will throw their tantrum, मत लो, मत करो. Nobody is asking you to succumb to things. If you think कि बोलना आसान है कि यार ये ऐसी है वैसी है, ठीक है, तो you maintain your distance, no? Who is asking you to get close to that person? Work professionally, get your job done and just get out of that.
आपको इतने busy schedule में प्यार का time मिल रहा है?
See, मुझे ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मैं single इसलिए क्योंकि मैं
Dating
काम
app
कर
पे
रही
हो
हूँ.
आप किसी में?
I was for the longest of the time.
Raya?
No, I was on Bumble.
Okay.
And I was there for a very long time, and I did go on a lot of dates, and that was fun. But again,
Are you not scared of going out on a date with a
no, I am not.
I am very scared. कहाँ ले जाएंगे?
नहीं, see, that way I'm smart, no? कि कहाँ ले जाए मतलब, well, let's mutually decide the location.
Picture. Like people would recognize you also, ना? Like ये तो थोड़ा बहुत तो कर ही लेते हैं.
हाँ, recognize करते ही है ना, तो मतलब I'm also a human who's single and wants
so I want
to
know
meet
this.
somebody.
This is interesting. I want to know this topic. So when you put your own picture,
Yeah.
and some people might know you from Splitsvilla, and some people might know you from the TV.
Yeah.
कि ये तो यार ये तो TV वाली है, colors पर आती है ये वो करके. So now the boys will approach you. Don't they ask you this question? आप प्रियंका पुरोहित ही हो क्या?
यार वो होता है, but I'll tell you, a lot of people think it's a fake profile also.
Yeah, that's what I was going with.
So they want to meet also, because just to validate कि is this you or not. So, but yeah, eventually I'll tell you, matlab, I have met two kinds of crowd. People who've known me and people who are very oblivious. Matlab,
उन्हें पता ही नहीं है.
they have seen me, for example, for them it's like we've seen you for the first time.
Okay.
Because let's be honest.
Not
Today,
everybody.
even if I talk about myself, do I know every guy who's
No.
an actor? Do I know everybody who's in the industry? No. हाँ थोड़ा recollection हो सकता है कि हाँ कहीं देखा है types, but any which ways you be an actor also for that matter, but that is your profession यार. तुम अगर corporate में काम कर रही हो तो मैं वो देखकर तो तुमसे नहीं मिलने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna meet you because I want to know you. I want to know you as a person. And vice versa. So yeah, it's been interesting. I've met a lot of guys and
Fuck all people.
no, I'll tell you, एक दो थे, but I've met good guys.
Good guys.
Very decent guys. See, again, क्या होता है ना? Like I have never been in rush. कि I want to date. I have to be dating somebody in my life. I am somebody who I like my space. I also believe that you get into it when you're ready. So Bumble मेरे phone पे बहुत time से था. I activated my account only when I felt that yeah, I am in a happy space. If I'm meeting somebody, I'm in a good zone to meet them. Not just because I was sad or I was stressed or something like that. You know, कोई ऐसा void full करने के लिए मैंने नहीं. I did not go on dates. But I have my own criterias also. Na. Matlab, is why I end up meeting good guys. Because I'm not saying ki good looks, but a good personality is
read
very...
bios on Bumble and then go for it? Or?
It is very... See, I can
6
make it out whether what is... like, kya hai na, if you're on Bumble for a very long time...
6 feet.
Yeah. The way they write it, you know it, ki yaar, it's all made up. You exactly know made up. When you are just... You know, I like guys who put... They are very raw pictures also. The best also and the most raw also.
Yeah.
That shows that you are confident
in yourself.
You are not just trying to
be somebody,
score somebody just because of your good looks.
Yeah.
So मेरा सबसे पहले तो वो I don't swipe anybody because if you're only putting your very professionally shot pictures on Bumble, no, then don't meet. Because I think that's, for me, it doesn't work.
Wow.
I like people who are
very
normal.
Like,
very normal na, matlab.
Kuch bhi.
Don't work so much on your profile also because the later part is by meeting up only and talking, and how you behave in front of me is what I'm going to remember. So I feel, so I've always chosen such profiles only where I feel in a way that, you know, this person seems decent.
I like your criteria of picking people from Bumble. She's like,
yeah.
Too much made up, don't go for it.
Yeah, too much made up, itna matlab. And I like people who do not put too much information also. Because that's the intrigue,
Mystery.
Not mysterious, but that leaves the space to know more about that person. If you put everything, like, you know, every question ka answer you are going to put, I think then to matlab kya? Then to... It's boring,
So, but are you looking for love?
Obviously, why not?
Do you believe in love, do you think?
I love. And I'm not just saying this because I'm on the podcast. I tell this to my friends also know. I remember I was talking to my co-actor and I was telling her also, yaar, मेरे को romantic गाने, मेरे को romantic... I have grown up watching these kind of... and grown up का बात नहीं है, I still relate to those movies and songs. And I believe that, you know, one day I'm just gonna madly fall in love. And I want that thing to happen. And yeah, I mean, today I'm single because I just feel that I don't... Matlab, again, I can go out and look around, but I'm not wanting to do that. Again, I do not want to go out and look for guys. I'm just taking it slow. Ki, when I'm ready, I'll go.
It will eventually come to you also. Do you believe in that? Yeah.
Very much.
I think you don't have to look for love. Love will always come to you.
No, I don't think so, that you just can't completely stop looking for it. Yeah. I think if you organically feel of taking or making any effort towards that person, take that. You don't know, there's so much that can happen out of that. You can't just be totally sitting na, ऐसा कि
efforts करने ही पड़ते हैं.
Efforts तो करने. What is the problem in doing efforts? Yeah. You want it, no, you do it then. तुम्हारा ना वो
the fear of loving,
the fear of being on your own na, like I've been single for a very long time now, but I don't feel like, yaar, I'm not crying at night, shit, I don't have anybody. No, I'm enjoying my time at work. I enjoy my time with my friends. I enjoy my time with my family. I enjoy my when I want my me time, I take that also. तो हाँ कोई होता तो अच्छा होता but
नहीं है तो फिर
is it
ठीक
like
है.
a big scar कि यार a missing part of my life? No, I don't think it.
So, guys, unfortunately, but the time is always a limit. We have Priyanka here. It was such a lovely session, Priyanka. Honestly, sitting with you was like honestly sitting with an elder sister. I think everything is so planned. Like honest, because when I was talking to you, I was relating every bit of it, and I hope a lot
Yeah.
of women, yeah, I'm genuinely telling you. So I hope a lot of women out there listening to Priyanka right now, you know, the whole story of hers, like long way to, like I
Yeah.
can't believe I had this conversation with you. I really thought that I was telling her off camera. I was like, Priyanka, I think I was scared.
What was
My
your
perception
picture
of you
in your mind, like how the first time that you meet? Oh, and so I also want to know, like, what was her perception? What was she thinking कि यार प्रियंका आएगी तो कैसी होगी? Because we don't know. We just got connected for this thing.
We've been
And
planning this in so long. But any which way, so when I like Priyanka was like, ki, you know, we'll do a podcast, blah blah blah. And then I was like, yeah. And then, you know, I was like, ये तो बेचारी भोली सी लड़की है, ये कहाँ हमारे पॉडकास्ट में फिट होगी, तो इसको बहुत वार्म अप करना, because your face is so cute and like soft and all of that. मुझे नहीं
you
पता था.
are the first person who thinks my face is very soft and all of that. Trust me. I mean, yeah, people do tell me you cute है, but soft and I don't think so.
हमने जो
यार.
स्प्लिट्स विला में रोने वाली लड़की थी.
अच्छा, okay. अरे, but guys, it's been 10 years. I've evolved a lot, यार.
Yeah, and today I'm sitting with you and you giving all this, whatever you just said. No, Priyanka, I'm not just saying it because I'm sitting in a podcast. I genuinely related every single line.
Yeah.
How beautifully you have grown in life, and you know, such an inspiration, like the way you have said everything, you own your shit and have come so far, and you know, like your mom should be so proud of you, honestly.
She is,
Yeah, and she's working like so hard, and she's just coming from the set. I have to give it to you. You still have so much energy. I don't know what you are eating, by the way, still looking.
No, it's just I'll tell you very frankly, I was very nervous because as I was telling you, I overshare at times. I overspeak, like, you know.
But you're raw.
I am like this. So मेरे को ना, I have to tell myself in my head, like, listen, you know. I was actually telling myself while I was coming here, okay, listen.
Don't overshare.
Stick to the questions, like, you know, answer it nicely, keep it very crisp. Don't like elaborate things and all of that. But again, none of that I remembered while I was live, right? And I don't know, you may have to edit a lot of stuff because I was oversharing again. But okay, this is me. So yeah.
But guys, this was Priyanka for you. Priyanka, any message before we?
Oh my God, मैंने कभी ऐसे messages दिए नहीं हैं.
Anything you want to? I think आपने सभी कुछ बोल दिया यार, मतलब कुछ.
Yeah, I mean, I would like to thank you for inviting me, because up till now nobody has ever invited me for a podcast, and this is my.
You come Big Boss के बाद सीधा इधर.
I don't know whether I'm made for Big Boss or no, because.
But you promised us, okay, you'll come after Big Boss.
I said let the people decide, like they should get me to Big Boss. Again, I don't know if it's in my destiny. Obviously, I'll do it. But yeah, I mean, this is the very first time that I'm doing a very raw interview. Like, you know, a podcast where, you know, I'm talking about myself. Otherwise, you know, काम के time हमेशा it's like about your character and show. This is the first time that I have opened up, and I feel now confident that I can talk
on the podcast.
Is why I would just want to say one thing, that to all my fans, I know y'all will have been bothered because of my absence and all of that, but trust me, यार बहुत कुछ चल रहा था. I would not get into the details, but yeah, I'm back for good, and thank you for having me. I think you made me very comfortable before even we could start. I mean, I knew, you know, somewhere I knew that it's going to be easy peasy for me, because on messages also, like, you were very sweet. And now also, obviously, you are. So, thank you for having, thank you for choosing me to, you know, do a podcast with you. It's a big thing. Like, I did Splitsvilla 10 years back, but you thought of me and to do this.
Mummy, खुश हो जाएगी.
Thank you, Auntie. आपकी बेटी ने मेरे साथ ये podcast किया. I'm very happy. This is for you, please.
Yeah. So, guys, this was Priyanka for you, and I hope you all loved the podcast. I sure did. And new video dropping every Wednesday, 4:45 p.m. Till the time is see you next. Have an amazing Wednesday. Stay tuned. Bye. Toodles.